Hello everyone. Now today I'll be taking you through the JMC vLearning process. Now my dear parents, what is this JMC vLearning? Now JMC vLearning is a new project carried out by JMC College International. Now here what we do is we have selected the teachers from our network and we have done a video recording of the second term lessons. Now these second term lessons we have been editing the stuff and we have uploaded them into a video platform. Now those lessons are available and we are in the process of recording and editing and uploading the videos. Now our children can access this video content and view this video content to increase their knowledge level, and this will be a very good assistance for their future learning. Now let me take you through on how to obtain these videos. Now go to Google through either a desktop, either a laptop or from the mobile phone and search for JMC. Right. Then go to the JMC site and you will see in the JMC website there's a topic called vLearning. Right. So this is the new element we have added to our website. Go to JMC vLearning and there you can see login page. Go to this login page, right? So you have to follow the exact same steps, right? And here you can see student, parent and the lecturer. Now what we need to understand is we are not creating separate student logins. So the logins will be created to the parents. Our idea is this education program shall be carried out under the guidance of the parents. Now when you select parent, you can put your NIC number. That means mother can put the mother's NIC, father can put the father's NIC. But you need to put a password. You don't have a password yet. Now the first thing what we have to do is we have to create a password. Remember, this is a one-time effort. This is a one-time effort. Click this forget password option. Go to this forget password, then select parent and put the NIC number. I'll put a sample information. Then put your mobile number. I'll put a sample mobile number and then click submit. Now here what happens is inside our JMC system, now they will check whether you are actually a parent, whether this NIC number is matching with the mobile number. Now ideally you need to put the exact correct NIC number and the phone number you have given to the JMC. Then only this will get matched. If you have a question, you can always contact the branch. So then once you found a matching record, they will send you a one-time password. Now here I have received my one-time password to my mobile number. So I'll put that one-time password. Right. Okay. Then I'll click submit. So once you click submit, you will take to a page where you will create a password. Now it says this password need to have at least one number, one capital letter, one single letter and minimum 6 characters. Now this is a one-time effort. You will have to create a password. So based on these guidelines, let me create a password. So I'll create a password here and I'll retype the same password to ensure, right? And I'll click reset password. Now what will happen is password has been reset successfully. Click here to login. Now you have created a password. Remember, this is a one-time effort you have to do. Now you can click parent, you can put your NIC number, you can put the password which you created, right? And then you can go to login. Now at this point, when you are a first login, there will be another one-time password you have to put, right? So to activate the account, that will be a one-time effort. Then go to vLearning. Go to vLearning and select courses. Select courses. Now you will see the admission numbers of your children. Now here this particular parent has 2 children. Right, let me take one. Dehami. Dehami is in grade 2. And there's a message. What is that? Please settle the class fee outstanding payment of rupees 4,000 to enable access to the lessons. You can pay online by clicking the click here. Now what is this? Now this JMC vLearning, my dear parents, is a service which is available without any additional charge to our JMC students. So we won't be charging money from you, but the system says that in order to view the videos, you need to settle your class fees outstanding, if any. So ideally you have to settle the class fees. So the system will work out in such a way that in a month, at the beginning of the month, this account will get locked with the class fee accrued. So once you make the payment, you will be granted the access, and at the beginning of the next month, once again it will get locked, and then once you make the payment, the access will be automatically granted. So you don't have to pay any additional amount, just the class fee you have to pay. Now if you go to the next child, Udara, right now he has settled the payment, so he can view the content now, like this, the subjects which are available. Right, let me take you through the English language first. Once you click English language, now there you can see Unit 4 for a better tomorrow is available, the video lesson. So you can actually play the video, right? So let me play the video, right? This video was done by Iresha, a teacher in Havelock Town branch. You can see that we have used the technology such as smartboard technology, right? Right, and let me take you through another video, right? So I'll take the business studies then, right? Now business studies, financial statements including adjustments. If you can see here, right, there's a download. So the tut is available in the soft copy form as a download, where you can download it and you can view the video, right? You can view the video. I'll just fast forward it. So look here, so they're using the board and they're doing the explanation so the students can make the notes, right? Then we will be uploading the MCQ questions as well. So then and there, once the student do the particular lesson, after the lesson they can do the multiple choices questions, and then and there they can get the answers as well, right? Check, so they can get the answers, and if they want they can make a comment, right? So those are available, right? So it's really easy. I'll take you through the process once again. Now I have created the password. I'll just log out from here, right? So go to this vLearning, right? And then go to login register, and now we have created the password. Select parent, put the NIC number, type the password, and then go to login, right? And then go to vLearning, go to courses, select the child, and then you can view the videos. Let me take you through the English literature, right? English literature video, right? So video lecture is available. You can view the video, right? If you want, you can put it the full screen. And we have embedded, right? So beautiful pictures and everything is been done beautifully, right? So this is the service what we are going to take you through, right? So this is JMC vLearning platform, right? I hope you got the idea and you'll use this service effectively. Thank you.